Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from lloyds to PayPal. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the easy step-by-step guide, so the first step is to link your lloyds bank to your PayPal. So open the PayPal app or go to the paypal.com, then log into your account, then tap on wallet, then tap on link a bank, then enter your lloyds bank account number and sort code, then tap agree and link. Then after that you have to save, or you have to confirm your bank. So PayPal will send a small deposit like 0.1 euro or 0.6 euro as your lloyds to your lloyds bank. So check your lloyds app or online banking for this amount, then go back to PayPal and enter the two amount to verify your account. Then from there you have to add money to PayPal. So in PayPal, go to wallet, then tap on add money, then choose your lloyds account, then enter the amount, then tap on add. And here's the key important note: it usually takes between 3 to 5 working days for money to reflect in your PayPal balance. And that's how to send money from lloyds to PayPal. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.